Christmas, Dad.
Merry Christmas, son. Did you check under the tree?
Yes, there are so many gifts. Can I open them now?
Of course, go ahead.
Wow, a new toy car. Thank you, Dad.
You are welcome. But don't forget to thank Santa too.
Did you get a gift, Dad?
Yes, it's a nice scarf. What do you think?
It looks great, Dad.
Thank you, son. Now, let's have breakfast and celebrate together.
This is the best Christmas ever. Merry Christmas, Dad.
Merry Christmas, son.
Will Santa bring me gifts?
If you've been good, Santa will bring you something special.
What about Christmas lights?
We'll put them up on the house tonight.
Can we make hot chocolate too?
Absolutely. Hot chocolate and marshmallows sound perfect.
Can we eat the cookies we made?
Sure, and we'll save some for later with hot chocolate.
I love Christmas, Dad.
ඔයාලා තාමත් මගේ channel එක subscribe කරලා නැත්නම් අදම subscribe කරන්න කියලාත් ආදරෙන් මතක් කරනවා. එහෙනම් අපි තවත් දවසක හමු වෙමු. මම රන්සි.